Hello friend, welcome to another video tutorial, and today we will discuss about the seed according to NCERT 12th syllabus. Let us discuss about the what is seed. First of all, what is seed? So as we know, seed is a fertilized fertilized mature ovule. Seed is a fertilized mature ovule after fertilization which converted into a seed. Okay, now let us discuss how what are the changes are take place in a seed. For example, this is the ovule, and these are the cells present in ovule. These are the synergid cells and this is the egg cell. Okay, so during fertilization, a primary male gamete fertilizes with this egg cell and it will convert it into a zygote. It will convert it into a zygote. And the secondary male nuclei come and fertilized this polar nuclei and convert it into pen. And later on it will convert it into peck and then it synthesizes the endosperm. Okay, so these are the some events which occur during fertilization. Later on, what happened now? These two are the integuments of ovule, and after fertilization, these integument converted into seed coat. So they are known as seed coat. Okay, this is the micropyle. This is the micropyle, and now it is known as the opening of seed or ostiole. Okay. Now, in many seeds, there is a thin layer of nucleus also remain present. This thin layer is which is in ovule known as nucleus. Now, this thin layer converted into perisperm, converted into perisperm, the remnant of nucleus present in a seed. Okay, and sometime the outer integument is present, the inner integument also digested by the developing embryo, and it will remain into a small, thin paper-like, paper-like structure that is known as tegmen. That is known as tegmen. Okay, and in later on, these synergid cells and antipodal cells are degenerated or digested by the developing embryo, and the endosperm produced here is also digested by the seed and it will remain in some seeds as a reserve food material, that is endosperm, and this is the embryo of a dicot seed. These are the embryonic axis and this is the hypophysis. Hypophysis. So These are the some changes occurs in conversion of a seed, ovule to seed. Okay, I hope you got it. This now this is the seed of dicot. Now we will discuss about there is the development of seed is just similar in both monocot and dicot, but monocot seed have different structure as many monocot seeds consist of richer food material in the form of endosperm. Okay, richer food material in the form of endosperm. Mm, this. The cotyledon of monocot seed is known as scutellum. Scutellum, it has single cotyledon which is known as scutellum. Okay, and in seeds there is a protective layer on a plumule. Plumule have a protective layer which is known as coleoptile. A leaf-like appendages emerge out during seed germination. Okay. Similarly, its radicle also covered by a protective layer of undifferentiated mass of cells, and this cell is known as coleorhiza. And one more thing, this is the endosperm, reserve food material, and a layer between the embryo and this endosperm is known as aileron layer. Okay, one more thing, the seeds of monocot grasses are known as grain because this is the seed wall, this is the seed wall. Okay, now it is fused with fruit wall. It is fused with fruit wall, and this is the fruit wall. Fruit wall is also known as pericarp, also known as pericarp, due to which when the seed wall and fruit wall is fused together, then such seeds are known as caryopsis or grains. Okay, okay. Now the seeds can be of two type on the basis of reserve food material. One is endospermic seed, one is endospermic seed. I will write here endospermic seed or albuminous. And second one is the non-endospermic, non-endospermic seed or also known as X albuminous. Okay. As their name predict, endospermic means the seeds in which endosperm is present. During the growth of embryo, during the development of embryo, if complete absorption or digestion of endosperm is not occur, then some endosperm is present in a mature seed. Such seeds are known as endospermic. Examples like wheat, barley, maize, coconut, castor, etc. Okay. And in non-endospermic seeds or X-albuminous seeds, during development of embryo, whole endosperm is consumed and nothing left in a mature seed. Such seeds are known as non-endospermic, and for their germination purpose, they store their food in some cotyledons. Like examples are groundnut. These examples are groundnut. So here we saw the cotyledons like this, and here is a V-shaped structure that is embryo. So here reserve food material is in the in its cotyledon. Groundnuts, pea, and chicken pea, etc. Thank you. I hope you got understand about the seed and its type of seeds and monocot seed and last diagram of dicot seed with endosperm. And thank you.